Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 5 of our React.js playlist. In previous video, we already discussed about how to write the Navbar code and how we can style that Navbar. So in today's video, what we will do, whatever code we write here for the Navbar, okay, so we will create a component folder. So what we have to do, so let me write the steps. Okay, steps. So what are the steps? First one is, okay, so create component folder. Okay, inside component folder create navbar.js file. Okay, and after after creating navbar.js file, import this file into app.js file, right? So these steps we have to perform. Okay, so these much steps we have to perform, right? All right, I hope you understood. Okay, what we are going to do. So what we will do, whatever code is written here, we will just copy this code. Okay, we will just cut this code, not copy. Okay, this is the code written in app.js. So what we will do, inside the src we will create one folder. What's the name of that folder? Components. Yes, components, right? The folder name is components. Inside this folder I will create navbar.js file. Okay, and after that I will write the function. Okay, so if you will write the function for this file, so you will write here const. Okay, we are creating function based components, so I will write here const, then function name must be same as a file name, navbar. Okay, then equals to, we are creating arrow function, like this we will write. Okay, after that we will write return. Okay, and inside the return we will write empty enclosing tag, so that we can write our navbar. So whatever navbar code we have copied, we will paste here. Where is the paste? Here is the paste. Let me format the document. Okay, so we have this navbar code. So let's check whether it's working now or not. Okay, so it is not working. Okay, you are seeing blank screen, right? So what we have to do, this navbar component we created separately inside the component folder, right? And we will call this navbar folder, or we can say we will import this navbar here. So navbar import navbar from, what's the location? Current folder. Inside the current folder, what is the current folder? src. Inside the src folder, here we have to go component. Okay, inside the component, what is the file name? Navbar. Okay, navbar.js, right? So this we have to do, and after that we have to call this navbar file. So what we will do, we will simply write here component name. What is this? Navbar. Okay, so this is the React.js components. That's why we need, what we need? Backslash, or we can say self closing we need. Okay, so what's the mistake I'm doing? Import navbar from components. Okay, so what did it say? Is there any spelling mistake? Okay, so what's the folder name? Components. Okay, so what is the folder name here? Components. Inside the components from navbar. So all is fine. Okay, what we have to do, so we created this navbar. Now we have to export this function. Okay, that's why error is coming. So what we have to write? Export default. Okay, then what we will write? Navbar, right? So now it is successfully executing. Okay, so this navbar code is coming like this. Okay, so this is how you can create. Okay, so everything is same, just I separate the component, and here we are writing component. So it gives reusability as well. If you want to repeat the component, you can repeat as well. That's why we write like this, but we need only single navbar. Okay, so like this we can use, right? All right, so thank you everyone. In the next video we will learn how to create card component. Okay, the next video we will discuss about card component. All right, thank you. So don't miss the next lecture. All right.